Designing a family home isn't just about beauty, it's about balance. Balance between openness and privacy, between spaces for connection and personal retreats. Today's episode on Design Seed, we are stepping inside a luxurious residence in Subang Jaya, a 15,000 square feet bungalow designed for relaxed living. From the basketball court to a hidden lounge, spaces are crafted around their passions and lifestyle. This captivating home by New Infinity features 7 bedrooms and 8 bathrooms that blend elegance with everyday comfort. My name is Alex Lee and I am from New Infinity. Before we begin, a friendly reminder, if you're not clicked on the subscribe button yet, do it now and stay in the loop for more upcoming design and architecture related contents. First impressions matter. A double volume foyer and a grand light feature set a tone of bold, dramatic luxury. But this is not just about luxury. It's about a homeowner's vision brought to life. Where material, spaces, and light shape how a family connects.
The main idea behind these designs are elegance with wow factors. That's what I want. The first time I remember New Infinity proposed their design, I already fall in love. The practicality and the designs with high quality finishes, it captured my heart and my wife's heart.
The living room features a sunken design creating an intimate setting. Views unfold in every direction, overlooking the car park alongside, the dining and the Japanese Zen garden at the back, and overlooking a beautiful swimming pool. The columns pose a design challenge, and the stairway restricted the TV cabinet position, creating a lopsided effect. So to tackle the design issue, a platform was designed running across the entire base to create a balanced impression. Here, we intentionally chose a sunken design to create the feeling of being encased by scenic views. Beyond a cozy living hall, membrane lighting guides towards a dry kitchen and dining. The membrane lighting creates a skylight effect, distinguishing this space from the rest of the home. We used the wooden ceiling fittings to create a sculptural form, turning the ceiling into an architecture statement. Entering this space feels like escaping to a chalet. The dining area is positioned at the throat of the house, allowing cross ventilation to naturally flow through.
The moment I step in the dry kitchen area, the first eye-catching thing I would say is the wooden ceiling. This credit have to be given to New Infinity designers. Very sure this is part of the most important factors that I chosen New Infinity.
Sun orientation was a key consideration when designing this project. Knowing sunlight would stream into the house, we planted a bamboo forest to filter the light naturally. This created playful shadows in the dining area. Sleek aircon slits keep the space visually clean while minimizing condensation. The dry kitchen features innovative stone surfaces with an integrated induction hob that looks invisible and a seamless sink. This creates a countertop that can be fully utilized without sacrificing the convenience of a cooking hob. Hidden behind the door lies a wet kitchen designed for heavy Asian cooking, with stainless steel countertops and professional equipment to support the family's love for cooking. The dining area opens to a wooden deck and pool, a relaxing setting for everyday life. Equipped with a water jet function for workouts and jacuzzi, the swimming pool is elevated into a private exercise and wellness zone. Instead of conventional swimming pool tiles or fiberglass options, the pool's finish with crystal blue pebble wash stones was chosen for visual appeal. Beside the pool, a semi-outdoor basketball court has been designed to professional standards with FIBA-approved floorings. A vibrant mural celebrates the son's passion for basketball, depicting him alongside his favorite basketball stars.
Whatever your child's passion is, cater to them. If your kid likes basketball, you can just get him a basketball court. If your kid likes to swim, build a pool. But they would have to understand that all of this would be provided under one ultimate condition. They must always stay with their parents.
Excess marble was thoughtfully integrated as sculptural elements, creating a cohesive aesthetic. By night, the home reveals a totally different identity. Layered lighting enhances its dramatic presence, while fiber optics installed in the pool shimmer like stars, creating a tranquil atmosphere. Want to learn more about interior design tips like this? Join our Design Seat membership program for $5 and get behind-the-scenes access, in-depth reels, and our newest edition. Exclusive handbooks that break down technical designs knowledge into practical tips you can apply to your own home. Luxurious marble defines the powder room in signature New Infinity style. The windows are intentionally positioned higher, offering views of greens and clouds while maintaining privacy. A dual WC setup caters to guests with separate his and hers facilities, ensuring comfort and reducing waiting time. The staircase is a striking feature wrapped entirely with white marble, including the underside. New Infinity designed this staircase as a sculptural form to feel both elegant and light. Textured wall lines the staircase area, creating an outdoor-like experience when using the stairs going upwards or downwards.
To me, marble's charm are timeless and everlasting. The stairs in the house are so appealing to me. I rather walk ups and downs than taking the home lift. I feel good on every single steps.
While residential lifts are typically placed outside, we brought the glass lift indoor, wrapping the staircase around it, creating a light, floating presence within the space. In the double volume space, the floor thickness could have been distracted from the void, so we carefully curated the carpentry to stage the light as the center masterpiece. On the first floor, the master bedroom mirrors the home's bright and serene palette. A foyer with a daybed and walk-in wardrobe serves as a soft pause. Given the generous size, placing the bed on either side would leave the space feeling underutilized. So we designed a customized headboard to anchor the layout. A curved partition shapes the room gracefully, seamlessly integrating the furniture and the bed area. A hidden door opens to a private lounge equipped with a pantry. Bathed in natural light, creating a relaxing space to read. We also chose micro-cement walls to give the space an outdoor impression despite being enclosed. Excess marble pieces were repurposed to stage this lounge, defining different levels while adding a sense of luxury. In the master bathroom, the challenge was separating the wet and dry areas. To address this, we designed a central island counter composed of elegant Patagonia marble, with the sink on the side and a vanity on the other. This design optimizes functionality and elegance. This island design creates natural circulation routes around the bathroom, preventing awkward movement or congestion. By separating wet and dry zones without physical partitions, the layout remains open and inviting. On the dry area, we integrated concealed air conditioning to maintain optimal humidity levels after showers. The son's room is defined by a dark palette, giving it a youthful, masculine character. A striking feature displays the son's passion instantly, sets the tone for a stylish space. Designed to overlook the basketball court and a daybed oriented towards the pool. This layout creates a unique, personalized environment centered around his passions. Sightlines like this strengthen spatial flow, encourage interaction, and bring energy into the room. The son's bathroom mirrors the room's masculine character, furnished entirely in dark marble. On the second floor, the foyer welcomes you with a vibrant green feature, thoughtfully staged by membrane lighting. Here, an entertainment area occupies a separate wing, ensuring bedrooms on the same floor remain calm and quiet. Like the dining area, New Infinity designed recessed lighting to guide movement throughout the space. For different modes of leisure that caters for the entire family, the entertainment area features a gaming space, AV room, and a bar lounge. We used a dark palette for the bar lounge to create an intimate and relaxed mood. Dark finishes absorb ambient light and reduce glare, creating a controlled lighting environment ideal for evening's use while visually grounding the space. Every bedroom for each family member is equipped with its own compact pantry and sink. A thoughtful feature that enhances everyday convenience, transforming each room into a private luxurious hotel suite with unique bathrooms. With guest rooms thoughtfully designed for both children and adults, the home warmly welcomes loved ones and friends, making it easy to host and entertain.
I'm a family man. Almost every weekend, My sisters are bringing their grandkids over, sometimes over the weekend, relative or friends visit. You look at the size of the house and you look at the rooms. There are kids' rooms. So I'm expecting the family to grow. I'm expecting more grandkids from my son. Son, please take note.
Beyond the marble and striking features, what truly defines this home is how it brings people together. Guided by a close collaboration between the homeowners and the designers of New Infinity, every surface, space, and detail reflects the passions of the family who calls it home. If you enjoyed this episode and you want to learn more about interior design and architecture-related contents, please click on the subscribe button to stay tuned for more compelling design episodes. My name is Alex Lee, and I am from New Infinity. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next week.